Hello children, so how are you? So in the previous class, you recalled the topics which you learned in your 6th class. The topics called like what is map, what is sketch map, scale, directions on map, symbols, like this. You learned the topics, you recall the topics of 6th class. Today, in today's class, again, we recall symbols. What is symbol? Why do we use symbols on map? If we don't use the symbols on the map, what happens? What is the necessity to use symbols on the map? So, dear children, so what is a symbol? Can you define a sign or a shape or a object which is used to represent something else on the map is called a symbol. Once again, you listen carefully. A sign, shape or an object which is used to represent something else on the map is called a sign, symbol. So why do we use symbols on map? So you usually observe the maps. Maps are very small. So very small. So is it possible to show the actual size of the things on the map? No, it is not possible. Why? The map is very small for us to draw the pictures of the things shown on them. It is very small. Map is very small. So that is the reason we cannot show the size of the actual size of the things on the map. So that is the reason we use the symbols to show the things. For example, you take, if you want to show the church on the map, we use the symbol of the church. Like this we show. Like this we show on the map. So if you want to show the temple, then simply we draw like this. So like this we use the symbol. So if you want to show the mosque, means masjid, what kind of symbol do we use? So we use the symbol like this. So we use the symbol like this in the map. So if you want to show a school building, so ours is a big building, we cannot draw this much big size building on the map. So that is the reason what we do. We use the symbol of the school. We use the symbol of the school here. Like this we show the symbol. If we want to show the Pakka road, we draw like this. If you want to show the railway line, we draw like this. Understand, children? So to show the different things on the map, we use the different kinds of symbols. So in 6th class, you learned different symbols like tree, tank, Kacha Road, Pakka Road, church, school, temple, settlements, broad gauge railway line, and meter gauge railway line. Like this, different types of symbols you learnt. So in this class, in 7th class, we learn the symbols about the point, line, area. What are those? Point, line, area. Understand, children? So in the 7th class, you learn about the point, line, area. So why do we use the point? When do we use the point? So if we want to locate a place on the map, we use the point. To locate a place on the map, we use the point. You see that, for example, on India map, if we want to show New Delhi, then how do we locate the Delhi? We put the dot or the point. Understand, children? If you want to locate Hyderabad, so just we put the point here. By using the point, we indicate the different places on the map. So next one, what is that? Line. So here, if we want to locate the rivers on the map, we use the line. For example, if we want to locate the Krishna river, so we use the line like this. If we want to show the rivers, we use the line. Do you understand, children? To show the rivers, which symbol do we use? We use the line. So now you learn point, line. Next one, what is that? Area. Area symbol. If we want to show the area of a place, or for example, in Telangana map, if we want to locate Medak or Hyderabad district, how do we locate that? We first demarcate its boundaries. What do we do first? We demarcate, means, for example, if it is Andhra Pradesh, if we want to show the Andhra Pradesh in India map, first we demarcate like this. We demark the boundaries of the what is that? Andhra Pradesh. Then after that, what do? We mark it with the color pattern. We apply some color here. Understand? We demarcate and we apply some color pattern here. So like this, we show the area on the map. Understand? How do we show the area? How do we use the area symbol? First, what we have to do? We have to demarcate the boundaries. We have to mark the boundaries. After that, what we have to do? We have to apply some color. Understand? We have to apply some color in that borders or in that inside of that boundaries. Like this, we use the area symbol. Understand, children? So in the previous class, you learned different kinds of maps. So can you say maps? What are the maps you learned? Yes. First one is political map. Second one is outline map. Then third one is thematic map. And fourth one is physical map. Physical map. Okay, children, recall once. In the previous class, I explained you about the different types of maps. What are they? Political map, outline map, thematic map, and physical map. Now, in this 7th class, we will learn about the physical map. What is physical map? How can we identify the physical map? So, in this physical map, we usually find different patterns of the lands colored differently. Do you understand, children? In this physical map, we usually find different parts of the land colored in different. So, in this map, you can find the colors like green, yellow, blue, brown. Like this, you can find the colors in this physical map. So these maps shows the variety of landforms and also depict the heights of places. Do you understand how are these maps useful, or what are the things we can come to know from the physical map? These physical maps, they shows the variety of the landforms and also they depict the heights of the lands. Now I will show you a physical map. So see how is the physical map. See, it is the physical map of India. It is the physical map of India. I told you, actually, this physical map is colored differently, or this is differently colored. Different places are colored differently. Here you see brown, light brown, green. Okay, so brown, like this, different colors. Blue color. So you can see different colors on this map. Are you able to see? See here. You can find green, yellow, brown, thick brown, light brown, like this. Yes, children, are you able to see? Once you observe the map. Yes. Are you able to see the colors here? Green color, brown color, yellow color, like this you can see. So it shows the different landforms. This physical map, it shows the different landforms and also depict the heights of the places. Understand, children? What is physical map? What we can know from the physical map? Here I would like to tell you what is the difference between the map and the picture. Map and the picture. So you take your textbook. Just you observe take your textbook and observe the figure 1.5. You observe the figure 1.5. It is the picture, not the map. It is the picture. So in the pictures, the heights of the hills are hiding the places which are behind of them. Hey children, do you understand? You see here, these are the mountains. These are the hills or mountains. Are you able to see what are there behind the mountains? No. Pictures cannot show the things which are behind of them. Means the pictures hide the places behind the mountains or hills, but whereas maps they don't hide the places with which are behind them. They show all the things. Maps, they show all the things without hiding any places. Yes, children, do you understand difference between the picture and the map? So once again, listen carefully. In picture, all the things cannot be visible. All the places cannot be visible. But whereas map shows everything without hiding. Understand, children? This is difference between the map and the picture. Then we see the measuring heights on land. Measuring heights on land. How do we measure? Hey children, measuring heights on land. How do we measure? So, all the heights on the land are calculated from the mean sea level. From where all the heights are calculated? From the mean sea level. Understand? MSL. MSL means mean sea level. You may get in the exam. So what is the abbreviation of MSL? MSL means mean sea level. So all the heights on the map, different heights on the map are shown in different color. You see, for example, here you take your textbook and see, here Nimpur village is shown. Nimpur village is given in your textbook. See that heights. So from 0 to 50 kilometers they have shown with yellow color, and from 50 to 100 kilometers light brown color. Then 100 to 150 kilometers thick brown color. Like this, the heights on the map are shown in different colors. Do you understand? Heights on the maps are shown different shades of colors. For example, you can see here Nimpur village. The map of the Nimpur village. Here the heights of different places of the Nimpur village are shown with different colors. Understand, children? Then we see about the contour line. Contour line. So what do you mean by the contour line? Contour line is the line joining the places with equal heights of the map. What is that? Contour line. Contour line. Contour line is a line joining the places with equal heights on the map. So the contour lines, if you see the shapes of the contour lines, the shapes of the contour lines are irregular. How are the contour lines? Contour lines are in irregular shape. So if you see the distance between the two contour lines, so whether they are near to each other or far from each other, The distance from the two contour lines depends upon the slope of the landscape, or that depend upon the landscape. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? The distance between two contour lines depend upon the landscape or shape of the land. If the land has steep climb, then contour line will be near to each other. Steep climb. What do you mean by the steep climb? If the slope of the place is like this, if the slope of the place is like this, it is called the steep slope or steep climb. If the slope of the land is steep, then the contour lines will be near to each other. To understand, children? If the land has a steep climb, then the contour lines will be near to each other. If the land has a gentle slope, not much slope, it has a like this slope, slight slope, it is called the gentle slope. If the land has a gentle slope, then the contour lines will be quite far from each other. Yes, children, do you understand? Yes, when are the contour lines near to each other? When are the contour lines are far from each other? If the landform has the steep climb or the steep slope, the contour lines are near to each other. If the landform has a gentle slope, land has a gentle slope, then the contour lines are far from each other. Yes, children, are you clear about the contour line? Yes, once again I explain what is a contour line. I will give you the definition. Listen carefully. Contour line is a line joining the places with equal heights on the map. Understand? So, here it is a line. What does it do? It is joining the places which are on the equal heights. Yes, children? Yes, remember that. So, in the next class, we will learn uses of maps showing heights and what is mean sea level and the colors used in the maps to show the different landforms on the physical map. Yes, children. So read well, go through the lesson and understand the topics and recall whenever you get the time. Okay, children? Okay, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.